Today we're making Swedish meatballs. Let's go. We are making the best Swedish meatballs in the world. Yes, these are IKEA meatballs. Let's go. And to make it better, we even have the mash. And to make that further better, one sec, we've got the gravy. Let's go. First you want to turn on the oven, 200 degrees. Next you want to line a tray with some greaseproof paper. Next we're going to need a pot. Get the water in. And I'm going to need another pot for the gravy. Get the flame on. So with the IKEA potato, you can either put it in water, or I've heard you can put it in with the meatballs and make it like chips. So we're gonna go half-half. What do you think? We'll put half in, and we'll try the other half in the oven. So I don't really understand any of the instructions on here, but from the small check that I understand, I think it says 300 mils of water, 50 mils of cream. We don't have any cream, but we have water. Oh, buddy. 300 grams of water. Oh, shit. That's not good. Better check them. So it turns out that the potatoes disintegrate. I think the potatoes are already prepared somehow, but they've all disintegrated and become liquid. So maybe I'm just gonna add more potatoes to the mix. The rest are going in. First we got our potato puree. We got our little crispy potatoes. We got our meatballs. We got gravy to finish. Oh my kidding. That looks a bit better. Should try these things, guys. Let's have a taste. Let's see what's going on here. I added a little bit of salt. Got the crispy potato here. I'm not sure about that. I've got the puree potato here because I cooked it wrong. Mixed with the gravy, it's pretty fire. And I'm going to try the meatball with some potato, eh? I'm gravy. Give the meatballs 8 out of 10. I made the mashed potato so bad that maybe we'll try it again some other time. I give the whole meal, if I made the potatoes correctly the first time, then I think it would be much better as a complete dish. I'm going to give the Swedish meatball 8 out of 10. Ciao.